Okay, so we'll be taking a look at PJMasks today. So we got PJMasks, we got all the figures, we got Catboy, we got Gecko, we got Owlet, we got PJ Robot, we got Rip. Okay, and the biggest of them all, we got Ryan's World. There's 12 different types of figures we can look at today. There's like a caveman, there's a cat, there's a knight, there's an artist. Do y'all see this? An artist.
Whoa.
And we got 2 glow-in-the-dark ones. Oh my god.
Which ones are glow-in-the-dark?
I got the frog. There's a frog that's glow-in-the-dark, and there's like a mad scientist that's glow-in-the-dark. Oh, look, there's like a transformer-looking one. And there's a penguin, and a ninja, and a what is that one? Do you see that right there?
Those are so cool.
Do you see that one right there?
Which one?
What is that? I really want that one.
That one is so cool.
Whoa.
I think that kind of looks like Ryan. I really want that
Whoa.
one. That is so cool.
Oh look, they got a clown, and they have like some type of other robot, I'm guessing. Wow, those are rare. I hope I get those. Okay. Let's go ahead and start with the PJMasks. We'll save the best for last, okay?
Okay, you guys gotta stay tuned, okay, you guys?
Watch till the end. So, first thing we gotta do is open the PJMasks. Look at all this. We got PJ Robot, we got Gecko, we got Catboy, we got Owlet, and we got Rip. Oh my god, I can't wait to unpackage it. Oh my god. Oh, look, he's got like a thunderbolt, a blue thunderbolt. Look at that. I think that's for Catboy. Whoa, look at Catboy. Look at Catboy. He's got such a nice mask.
Wow.
Whoa, look at his tail. It's cool. And then we have this like superpower thing right here. He can just throw it at you because he moves so fast. Wow, that's so cool. Y'all see that? Look at his tail. It's so nice and long. Like, what?
He's so fast.
Okay, look at the next one. We got Owlet. We got Owlet. Look at Owlet. She can fly real fast. Look at her wings. Her cape. Whoa, y'all see that right there? Whoa, and her mask is just crazy. Whoa. Guess who's next?
Gecko!
Gecko! It's Gecko. Look at his big muscles. Gecko's so cool. He's green. He's strong. Oh my god. And
So
look at the texture on him right there.
That is so cool.
That is so cool. It's like a snake, but it's actually a gecko. So.
Yeah. So that one's Catboy. That's
So
Owlet. And that's Gecko?
Yeah, we got Catboy, Owlet, and Gecko. So, who's next? We have PJ Robot.
Whoa!
Whoa! PJ Robot. He's so cool. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
That is so cool.
He has like a black mask and look at his phone. He has a blue phone.
That is so cool.
Whoa. And look at his wings. He's got some nice wings. Maybe he could fly with them. He could fly so high.
Yeah, maybe he's a robot so he can like float in the air.
Yeah, whoa.
That is really cool.
Yeah. Last but not least, it's Rip. Look.
Wow, look how cool Rip is.
And he has purple hair. Look at his purple hair. That's awesome. And whoa, look at his jacket. He has a really nice jacket. You guys like that jacket?
I love that jacket. That is so cool.
Yep, and he has red jeans on. Wow. Take a look at him. Whoa. Okay, so we have to say bye, PJMasks. Say bye, PJMasks.
Bye.
Next is Ryan's toy. I can't wait to see what is inside these Ryan toys. You guys saw that there were 12 different characters. I hope I get one of the glow-in-the-dark or a rare one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and open the first one. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What's inside? Whoa! I got the penguin, guys. Look at that. Let's open it. Whoa! And they got little. Look, collect them all. They have so many. Look how many they have. Wow.
Whoa.
Look how many they have.
That is so cool.
We can collect them all. I can't wait.
There must be hundreds.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. What?
What is that?
Look, it came with fries, guys. He's got fries. Look.
Whoa, are those silver fries?
And the penguin, he's got some really nice glasses. Whoa. Oh, look at his beak. It's yellow. And his stomach's got like a little star on it. Whoa, that's so cool. Let's look at him. Take a look at him. Wow.
Wow.
You guys want this one?
I want that one.
Yeah, me too. And he's got fries, and I actually got him. Whoa, look at that.
That is so cool.
Okay, we're gonna put this nice guy right here, okay?
Well, I've never seen that color before. What color is that?
That's purple. Actually, it's kind of like a purple pink, right?
Yeah, it's like I've never seen. That's really cool.
Wow, right?
You guys should try collecting that one. That's a cool one.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Alright, but let's move on. There's so many other cool Ryan toys.
Oh, I can't wait. I don't know what else we have. So right now we have the penguin. Let's see if we can collect them all. I hope we get a glow in the dark one. Okay, ready? Oh, what's inside, guys? Whoa! I think I got a knight, but it's not like. Yeah, I got a knight, guys. Whoa! Oh my god! And they also have this one where it shows you can collect them all.
Wow, let's start collecting all of them.
Oh, I can't wait. What? The knight is so cool, and he comes with a shield, guys. And he comes with a shield. Whoa! Look at the knight. Oh, look at his hair.
Can you flick his mask up or no?
Oh, yeah, you can. Oh, look, you can.
Whoa! Is that Ryan?
Yeah, that's Ryan. Look, you can also close his mask. Whoa, Ryan the knight. Whoa, look at that. So nice. Look, he's got like stainless steel shields. He's so tough and strong. This will protect him through anything and everything. Whoa. And look, they also give him a nice shield. Look, and I think he can hold it. Yeah. Look at.
Can he?
Yeah, let's see.
Oh.
Whoa.
Ryan is off to battle, you guys.
Oh, he went flying. His shield went flying. Let me try to get that. Whew. I got it. Look. Okay, we're gonna put it back. He's gonna hold his shield. We're gonna put him next to. Let's put him next to his friend right here. Okay. And we're gonna keep going. Let's see if we can collect them all.
Let's see if we can get the glow in the dark ones. I'm really trying to get one of those.
I hope this one's a glow in the dark. What is this one? Another night, guys! We got another night!
We might have to give one of those away, you guys. We'll see.
We'll see if they're good enough. Whoa! This one's kind of hard to open. But, oh, look, it's another night. Now he can have his little brother with him. Whoa, look, and he's got his shield too, just like his brother.
That is so cool.
Whoa, and his mask also opens. Wow. Let's just put him right next to his buddy. Come on. Wow, look at them now. All three of them. And look, fries, they probably will share the fries. Like,
probably.
Let's put him in the middle so that he can share the fries. And they can guard him so no one can take his fries, you know? They'll guard him and no one will take his fries. Okay, I can't wait to see what's in the next one. It feels like a glow-in-the-dark one.
No way.
I think it is.
Let's open it.
Let's see and find out.
Fast, hurry.
What if we get another nightmare? We'll just have to find out.
I really don't.
Oh my god, we got another penguin. What?
Well, now they can all share their fries.
Yeah, now they can just share fries. Wow, they can just share their fries. Look at that. And he's got the same glasses. And he's got the same fries, but now they can share. Okay, we don't have to put him in the middle no more, I don't think, right?
Let's put him on the side.
Put him on the side. We'll put all the fries in the middle.
Oh, so they can all share.
They can all just share. Be a happy family. Whoa. Awesome. And look at that. Do y'all see that? Whoa. That is so cool.
Okay, let's get to the other Ryan package.
Ready? I hope it's a glow-in-the-dark one.
I don't think we're gonna get a glow-in-the-dark one.
No, don't be like that. We will.
You're right.
Oh. Whoa, it's another penguin! Oh my god, we just keep getting penguins! What?
We have so many fries, you guys.
We have enough fries to go around for everyone. And you have seen this penguin. It is a nice looking penguin. Look, and he's got his own fries. We'll just put another fry in the front and they can all share and be nice. What? What? You guys see that?
That is so
Whoa! Cool. Okay. I hope I get another one. I hope I get a glow in the dark. I hope. Oh my god.
Let's hurry up. Let's see if we get a glow in the dark one.
Oh. It's a new one, dude. It's a ninja.
We've
Whoa.
never seen a ninja before.
I can't wait to see the ninja. Oh my god. Oh my, they give him a little sword. Look at that. The ninja comes with a sword.
You think the knight can hold the sword too?
Whoa, let's just see. It's going to be so cool. There's going to be a knight and a ninja, and they can all work together and be happy. Oh my god, ready? Look, the ninja's got his little sword. It's a safe one, though. It's a safe one. It's really
it's
nice.
not sharp, you guys.
Yeah,
it's okay.
Yeah, see, look, it's nice. So you guys can buy them and play with them. Whoa, you see that? It's so cool, and he's got like a little red R for Ryan's world.
Whoa.
Yeah, he's so cool, and he's got, look at his little belt. That's awesome.
Let me see.
Look at that little belt.
Wow.
Look, and on the back it also has an R for Ryan's world. That's so cool, guys. Okay, let's put him right here because he's a sneaky little ninja. I'm gonna put him right there. Okay. Oh, that was our last one.
Okay, big kids, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, okay? Stay tuned on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays when we upload more fun content. Bye, big kids!
Bye! Everyone say bye! Bye!